Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite wig maker yet again. So today we're going to be doing a quick weave on myself. This is actually my third time ever in my life doing a quick weave. I'm still trying to get used to exactly how you do them, but I'm just going to show y'all how I go through the process and the final results. So just stay tuned.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just want to send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now. I just begun. I ain't giving out no.
So first things first, I'm just picking out my part. So I'm doing a deep side part, and it's going to be a versatile quick weave, which means I'm going to be able to put it up in a ponytail. So I'm just parting everything out, making sure that I have enough leave out to cover up the comb. I'm going to do that at one point just to make sure that the tracks will be covered. Then I'm going to do the perimeter, and then we'll get down to braiding.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah.
So quick weave braids do not have to be perfect. I just went and put some little struggle braids in my head just so that way I could say my hair was out of the way. I do not like that little low ponytail look. I don't know why. I just can't. I really hate when people put their hair in a ponytail for quick weaves or wigs and stuff like that. Like, just braid your hair down. It's not that hard. Braid it down, girl. So now I'm putting on 2 caps just to make sure that my hair is protected from that glue. I'm going to go in and sew around the caps, like around my part, just to make sure that the caps don't slip. I don't use the protective shield and all of that because I do not keep my quick weaves in long. One thing you'll learn about me, I do not keep my hair in long. The most you got from me is a week. I can't do it. So I'm just going to sew that down just to make sure the cap isn't sliding so that way I can make it to a week because I am a little rough. But that's what we're doing right here.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but
After that, I'm just going to go in with a metallic marker. You can use any color as long as you can see it on that black cap or whatever cap you decide to use. This hair is actually from a 4-year-old wig from my company. Okay, did you hear me say that clearly? 4 years old. This hair has been dyed 3 different times, and I dyed it well, if you want to be technical, it really would be 4 because I had to bleach it and then dye it to get this color. But the hair was dyed black. I had like a little peekaboo color on the wig when I initially had the wig. But this was my first ever 5x5 closure wig from my company that I had for forever. It went from being a middle part 5x5 wig to I turned it into a fringe bang wig, and then the closure was just on its way out. So I was like, you know what? I want to do a quick weave. It's no point in me ordering bundles because I have this perfectly good wig right here. I gave my girl a new color, gave her a good deep condition, and this is how she looks. Like, my hair is so good. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but bitch, beat fucking beat. Okay, I've been working with my company for 4 years. This is my baby. This is my pride and joy. I put my life on the line for this hair, okay? And again, this is an Erica J Stan YouTube account. I just went in with the Hold Me Down holding spray from Erica J. This is actually her old bottle. I have her new bottle as well. Thank you very much. But I like to use this on my QuickWeaves just because the way that the old bottle squirts, it's a little aggressive. So it just kind of works better for my QuickWeaves to use as a holding spray. But I'm just showing you guys here me going in a curved motion in the front, so that way all the hair in the front will fall to my face and we'll have a nice cute little bang. But again, I'm just showing you guys me gluing these tracks in, going around my head until we fill the whole gap up. I do want to add in really quick, I kind of messed up when I was laying my tracks because I did want the hair with more black, like how this top track looks right here. I wanted that more towards the top because there was a purpose. You'll see when I finish up how it ends up looking. It doesn't look bad at all. Don't get me wrong. It looks great. But I think if I would have laid the tracks differently, it just would have blended with my natural hair just a little bit better because it was more orange at the top than what I really wanted. I really just wanted the orange to be in my face and then have where my leave out was going to be black, if that makes sense.
Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm not walking up. Count the money up, fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she's.
So once we get that part laid, I actually learned this trick off of Instagram. I don't remember what stylist posted it, but she did her own sew-in and she did this method right here. And I knew nothing about this, but when I tried it one time on one of my U-part wigs, girl, I thought I had a problem afterwards. Like, I did not realize that just adding some mousse onto your leave out would get your hair so fucking silky. I'm gonna stop cussing, I'm sorry, that's not nice. But it looks so good. So you put the mousse on, you put the stocking caps on, and then you dry it. You can sit under the dryer. I have a hooded dryer, but I didn't have time for all of that. So I'm just going in with my blow dryer right there. And then afterwards, you look at it, you be like, oh my God, it looks real nappy. It's not gonna blend. Once you get that heat protectant, you put a little bit of heat on there, y'all gonna see my roots get so straight, you would think I had just got a relaxer.
Let's go on the beat, better bring that ass back.
There's always that one person.
And if you were ever wondering, all the products I use will always be linked down in my description box, from the hair from my company to the flat irons, heat protectants, mousse, whatever you could think of. It's definitely going to be linked down below, so that way you guys can find it on Amazon.
You gotta rock and wait in this one. Come on.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
It's the only way we know how to rock.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
It's the only way we know how to rock. Do you remember, girl? I was the one who gave you your first kiss. Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said, put your lips like this. Even before all the fame and people screaming your name. Girl, I was there, and you were my baby. It started when we were younger, you were mine. Now another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Even though we used to argue, it's alright, girl, that's okay. We haven't seen each other in a while, but you will always be my
love with you when we were younger, you were mine. And I see it from time to time, I still feel like that's my baby. See it no matter how I try to hide. Even though there's another man who's in my life, you will always be mine. I remember, boy, 'cause after we kissed, I could only think about your lips. Yes, I remember, boy, the moment I knew you were the one I could spend my life with. Even before all the baby people screaming your name, I was there,
and you were my baby. You were mine. Another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Though we used to argue, it's alright.
It's okay.
We haven't seen each other in a while. You will always be mine. When we were younger, you were mine.
See it from time to time, I still feel like
In your eyes,
you can see it no matter how I try to hide.
it's alright now. It's okay.
Though there's another
We haven't seen each other. You will always be mine. Oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, my,
So this is day 2 of the quick weave. Here I'm just showing you guys the versatility, but I wanted to add some curls. I don't know, I always add curls in my hair, so I'm just gonna go in. We added some quick layers. I did my baby hair for y'all, and I also showed y'all how I curl my hair on myself. I hate curling my hair on myself. I always burn myself, but it's okay. I did it for y'all because I love y'all.
Bring it back.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
It's the only way we know how to rock.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
It's the only way we know how to rock.
I don't know
About y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to rock.
let's go on the beat. Better bring that ass back.
Skinhead dancing, everybody gone. Situation aggravated, everybody alligator. In the suit, on the knee, everybody dog. Bang, bang, shock, dead, everybody gone. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Beat me, hate me, you can never break me. Will me, feel me, you can never kill me. Do me, sue me, everybody do me. Kick me, kite me, don't jump like a break me. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Tell me what has become of my life. I have a wife and 2 children who love me. I am the victim of police brutality, no. I'm tired of being the victim of hate. They're ripping me of my pride, for God's sake. I look to heaven to fulfill this prophecy. Set me free. Skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone. Covered ditches, wrecky bitches, everybody alligator. In the suit, on the left, everybody dog. Black man, brother, Indian. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about. All I wanna say is they don't really care about. All I wanna say is they don't really care about us.
The roof and let the smoke clear. Maybe.
And we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. This is the finished look. I think this color came out so cute. It's so perfect for fall, and I think it looks so great blending in with my natural hair. Again, this is a 4-year-old unit from my company that I turned into a quick weave. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day.
She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna